Enjoy. Newly fried to perfect golden brown veggie lumpia. Super delicious with dipping sauce of apple cider vinegar and garlic with twin strawberries, triplets as well. Exactly. And tomato on the vine and mixed greens. Super delicious. Fried in extra virgin olive oil. And more delightful food recipes of my beautiful and beloved mom, Mrs. Teodora Gutierrez, are in this her gorgeous cookbook, Mom and Chef, Nanay Nene Teodora of Philippines Cuisine. Cookbook recipes written by her daughter speaking to you about the video. Miss Juanita Gutierrez, BSED, MSED, available worldwide at Amazon, Ex Libris, Barnes& Nobles, all bookstores near you, and at my two websites, juanitagutierrez.com, Juanita Gutierrez, BSEDMSED.com. And my 22 books, yes, 22, including Mom and Chef. You could also avail in ebook, Kindle, or paperback format. Ebook or Kindle means you could upload my 22 books, including Mom and Chef, in your computer in minutes. Or you could have it in paperback as well, or hardbound copies. Enjoy. Happy cooking. Veggie lumpia, fried perfect into golden brown. Excuse me, please. Enjoy. You're gonna love this as I do. Yum. Happy cooking. Enjoy.